Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, we had a very nice giveaway session last night, and everyone seemed to have a really good time. Really happy about that. Just know for everyone that won last night, I'm going to be sending out the prizes within, should be 1 to 2 days, maybe 3 days at most. But yeah, I just need to get some logistics set out. Like basically, I just need to make sure that I'm sending the right prizes to the right people because I have a lot of people right here now, and I want to make sure that everyone's Discord names lines up perfectly. And I got my own procedure to do it and make sure everyone gets their money accordingly. And so far, I haven't had any problems, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. But yeah, don't worry, guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. We can see that right now on the daily time frame, Bitcoin printing a little bit of a red dot right now, getting a little bit more bearish in my opinion. Could be, the dump might not be over. We might see some more downside. However, the weekly, with the 15 and a -3 showing a little bit less bearishness, but I mean it's kind of the same in my opinion. We do have that red X right here on the weekly time frame. It's just still -3. I mean, it's a little bit better, but not much improvement overall. Could still be more downside to come. I think we might have another move. In my opinion, we could see that we are holding this green support box right now, but we are inching lower. But as we're inching lower, it looks like we're making a bit of higher highs. But this one, I guess you could say, is kind of flat. But I guess you could say this could be a bit of a bullish divergence, right? It's flat right here, and then we have a descending pattern right there, right? That maybe a lower low. But I wouldn't bet the farm on this trade at the moment. I have my wits about it. I would be very careful right now trading in these markets. The S&P, sorry, not the S&P, the Dow Jones right now had a green dot confirmation of a market, of a market reversal and continuation pattern. But right now we have a daily red candle, and as I said before this morning in that Sunday stock analysis that I did on Monday morning, but we had that morning sell-off, right, from that touch point right here. Bearish divergence. Markets took that COVID news pretty bad. COVID is getting worse. It's not improving. So it appears that the sell-off could have started. I'm not saying the whole stock market sell-off is starting, but we could have a bit of a correction coming in the coming days. And BTC right now not looking the greatest. We have had a significant correction, right? I will give you guys that. We have bottomed out on the daily time frame on the RSI. Every time we've bottomed out, we've gotten a pretty significant bounce from those levels, as we can see right here. Or we've trended sideways, if you will, and this one trended downwards, and the RSI trended upwards. Now, are we going to do the same thing? Are we going to repeat this? Are we going to trend upwards as the price trends down to maybe $40,000 to $40,000 levels, and then from there we're going to have another rocket towards the upside? Some people are betting on a continuation pattern like this, like so, a bounce and then you continue upwards. I would just be very careful at the moment, right? I am not looking for any longs right now. I'm looking at the EMA ribbons, and right now the 20 EMA is at 51,600, so I'm probably going to lower my short entries. If we do get a pump towards here, then I'm probably going to start entering some shorts from these positions. Now, it doesn't mean I'm long-term bearish, but I'm going to try and profit from the downwards trending Bitcoin moves, right? So there's no point in fighting the trend. You want to go with the trend. Now, I did have that liquidation, obviously, from that $63,000 trade. It was low leverage, but obviously the price went down so much it obviously stopped everybody out of our trades, me and Rick included. Now, once again, I just want to give a big shout out to Rick, by the way, for giving us that $1,000 to give away. We're able to give away more than usual, twice the amount. Obviously, I was giving 1,000, Rick was giving 1,000, a total of $2,000. Christmas giveaway. Thank you once again, Rick. Everybody, just give a big thank you to Rick in the comments. He was a big, really generous for doing that. Anyways, let's get back to it. And yeah, we can see that Ethereum also correcting now, passing right this trend line as we've seen, as we've outlined before in the past, and now kind of coming back up here and rejecting it as a sorry, confirming it as resistance, not rejecting it. Sorry, well, I guess you could say it's rejected it as support. Now we're underneath it, which is not resistance. Now, if we keep going, then we definitely could keep going to maybe 3,147. But Ethereum, I'm not looking to trade as much right now. If anything, I'll short it. Right, it's just definitely more volatile than Bitcoin. So we'll see, you guys. For the time being, if Bitcoin does come back up to maybe 49,100, I might enter a short from there. If we break up from here, I'll enter some shorts at 51,500. But just be careful, guys. I don't want anybody to lose any money during these volatile markets, and we are in a scary spot right now, just because how much we've come down and the nature of the fundamentals at the moment. Just because if traditional markets start to sell off, we do have some big news coming on December 15th. So if that news hits the market preemptively, they might sell off very, very quickly. So just be careful, guys. Anyways, love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, you guys should sign up for BitGet. Get $630 in bonus, 10% deposit bonus. And yeah, love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.